So this is an example of a dressing that you might have after an open shoulder surgery, which would be either a shoulder replacement or reverse replacement, or possibly after fracture care. This is a dressing that is waterproof, and what you'll see is that this plastic part is completely waterproof. You can take a shower 2 days after your surgery. You're going to want to remove this dressing after your shower by just peeling back the corner of the plastic. Underneath that, you'll see a little netting dressing as well, which will also just gently peel off. This is a non-adhesive dressing that should just peel off. Underneath this, you'll see your incision with absorbable sutures that are deep to the skin, as well as a skin glue over the top. Once you take the dressing off, you can go ahead and put on a new island dressing that you'll be supplied with. This dressing will go over the same incision and will cover the same area just to help protect it.